Hello and welcome to the Explaindio 4.0 video course. In this section you'll find videos with helpful Explaindio tips. Let me start off by sharing 3 basic tips that will hopefully save you some time and avoid frustration. Starting off with tip number 1. Keep your project short. For example, if you're working on a video that is 6 minutes in duration, I would suggest breaking it down into 3 Explaindio projects of around 2 minutes each. This is especially helpful if your computer has limited resources. Moving on to tip number 2. Save your projects regularly when working on video projects. It's easy to forget to save your projects while working on them, and this may sometimes result in your project file becoming corrupted because of a bad asset or element in the project. And finally, in tip number 3, back up your project files. So once you've saved your video projects, it's a good idea to back them up on an external drive. Also look for my video on saving zip project files. These may seem like very basic tips, but they'll help you in the long run. Well, that's it for now. Look for more videos with useful tips, and I'll see you in the next video.